This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Sissy bar. A Sissy bar offers a place to mount extra luggage and a backrest for better storage. Your Sissy bar will come with installation instructions and 4 mounting bolts. For installation, you will need a socket wrench, a torque wrench, and blue thread locker. Additionally, it's a good idea to have a soft cloth and some rubbing alcohol to clean the area where the Sissy bar will be installed. First, locate the mounting points for the Sissy bar. Remove all 4 fender strut bolts. To ensure that the bolts stay tight, apply a thread locking compound to the threads of the bolts. This will help prevent them from vibrating loose while riding. Place the Sissy bar over the rear fender and align the holes in the Sissy bar with the holes in the fender. Insert the provided bolts and tighten them using the torque wrench. Again, make sure to tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's recommended torque settings. Once the Sissy bar is installed, give it a good tug to make sure it is securely attached. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Sissy bar and you are ready to ride.